Welcome to our roundup of the best Canon mirrorless cameras in this year. Whether you're a professional photographer, a passionate content creator, or just starting your journey into high-quality photography and videography, Canon's mirrorless lineup has something for everyone. These cameras combine cutting-edge technology, lightweight designs, and advanced imaging performance, all built to help you capture your world with stunning clarity and creativity. We'll break down each camera's sensor performance, autofocus system, video capabilities, design ergonomics, lens compatibility, connectivity options, and ease of use, so you can decide which Canon mirrorless model fits your needs best. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the Canon EOS R5 Mark, one of Canon's flagship mirrorless cameras that has made a huge impact among professionals. Designed for photographers and videographers who need uncompromising performance, the R5 delivers breathtaking image quality with its 45-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. This camera is capable of producing ultra-detailed stills with excellent dynamic range, making it a top choice for commercial, landscape, and studio work. But what really sets the R5 apart is its 8K video recording, which was groundbreaking when first introduced and remains a standard setter. You also get in-body image stabilization up to 8 stops, ensuring handheld shooting is rock steady. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system provides fast and accurate focusing across nearly 100% of the frame, which is ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects like wildlife or athletes. The R5's build quality is robust, with weather sealing for professionals who shoot in demanding environments. The R5 is perfect for creators who demand maximum resolution and cinematic video features, though its price and large file sizes make it best suited for those who truly need high-end performance. Next up is the Canon EOS R6 Mark, a more balanced option that blends professional features with a friendlier price point. The R6 Mark is powered by a 24.2-megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering excellent low-light performance and outstanding image quality. For wedding photographers, event shooters, and hybrid creators, this camera provides a superb balance between speed, accuracy, and reliability. One of its standout features is the 20 frames per second continuous shooting with the electronic shutter, making it a dream for sports and action photographers. Video shooters also get 4K up to 60 frames per second with oversampling from 6K, ensuring crisp and detailed footage. Just like the R5, it comes with in-body stabilization and dual-pixel CMOS AF2, giving you smooth focus tracking even in challenging conditions. The EOS R6 Mark shines for users who value speed, versatility, and low-light excellence, making it a go-to camera for professionals and serious enthusiasts. Now we have the Canon EOS R7, which brings Canon's mirrorless technology into the APS-C format. This is an exciting model for photographers who want high performance in a smaller, lighter body. Equipped with a 32.5-megapixel APS-C sensor, the R7 offers excellent detail and reach, especially useful for wildlife and sports shooters who can take advantage of the crop factor. The EOS R7 features dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with subject tracking, ensuring accurate focus on people, animals, and vehicles. It also supports up to 30 frames per second continuous shooting, making it incredibly fast for its class. Video creators will appreciate 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, oversampled from 7K, delivering sharp and cinematic results. This camera also boasts 5-axis in-body stabilization, compact ergonomics, and compatibility with both RFS and RF lenses. It's an ideal choice for enthusiasts who want professional-level features without moving up to a full-frame body. Moving on, let's take a look at the Canon EOS R10, an affordable entry point into the Canon mirrorless ecosystem. While positioned as a beginner-friendly model, the R10 still delivers plenty of performance for hobbyists and content creators. Its 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor produces sharp and vibrant images, while the dual-pixel autofocus system brings Canon's signature tracking performance to a more budget-friendly package. The R10 can shoot 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and up to 23 frames per second with the electronic shutter, making it faster than many cameras in its class. It also supports 4K video at 60 frames per second with oversampling from 6K, a fantastic feature for vloggers and YouTubers. Its compact and lightweight design makes it travel-friendly, and its fully articulating LCD screen adds convenience for self-recording. For beginners, students, and casual shooters who want to step into mirrorless cameras without spending a fortune, the R10 is a smart and future-proof choice. Finally, let's talk about the Canon EOS R100, designed for absolute simplicity and accessibility. As the most affordable camera in the RF mount lineup, the R100 provides a gateway into Canon's growing mirrorless ecosystem. It features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering reliable image quality for everyday photography, family memories, and social media content. The R100 keeps things streamlined, with intuitive controls and a compact body that makes it extremely portable. Despite its entry-level positioning, it still benefits from Canon's dual-pixel autofocus system, ensuring subjects remain sharp whether you're capturing stills or recording video. For casual users, vloggers, or anyone upgrading from a smartphone, the R100 offers a massive step up in image quality without the steep learning curve. This camera is perfect for beginners who want a straightforward, dependable, and affordable introduction to mirrorless photography. Which Canon mirrorless camera would you choose for your photography or video projects? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can grab the perfect Canon camera for your needs. Thanks for watching.